In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics and Google Ads to GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of your digital marketing efforts by integrating these powerful tools seamlessly. First things first, we need to get your Google Analytics tracking code. Start by going to analytics.google.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left of your screen and find the gear icon labeled Admin. Give that a click. Under the section labeled Property, you'll spot an option called Data Streams. This is where we'll be heading next. Click on it, and then make sure to select the Web tab. Here, you'll see your website property listed. Just click on it to open up more options. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Google Tag section and click on View Tag Instructions. Once you've done that, you'll need to click the Install Manually tab. This will reveal the code box that holds your tracking code. Simply click the copy icon on the top right corner of this box to copy all the code. And there you have it. Your Google Analytics tracking code is now ready to use. Next, it's time to add the GA4 tag to your GoHighLevel funnel. Log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Funnels and Websites section. Choose the funnel or website you want to work with and open it. Once there, look at the top right of your screen for the Settings option and give it a click. You'll want to find the section labeled Head Tracking Code. This is where we're going to place the GA4 tag code you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the box and make sure to click Save. This ensures that Google Analytics can start tracking your funnel or website properly. If you're working with a website rather than a funnel, you'll want to go to the Website section, then to Settings, and look for the Head Code section to paste your code there instead. Now that we've got the tracking code in the right place, it's important to verify that Google Analytics is indeed tracking correctly. To do this, open up your GHL funnel or website page in a browser. Then head back to Google Analytics and navigate to the Reports section and then to Real Time. You should see yourself as the active user on the page. This indicates that the tracking is set up correctly and Google Analytics is picking up the activity from your site. Additionally, if you want a bit more confidence in your setup, you can install the Google Analytics Debugger Chrome extension. It provides further verification and can be a handy tool for ensuring things are running smoothly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect Google Analytics and Google Ads to GoHighLevel. With everything set up correctly, you'll get the insights and data you need to optimize and grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.